When FaceTime keeps failing, it can be frustrating. Want to delete it? Stop. Some solutions provided in this video may help you. Today, we'll teach you how to fix FaceTime not working on iPhone. First solution, force restart iPhone. Press the volume up button and quickly release it. Press the volume down button and quickly release it. Press and hold the side button and release it when the Apple logo appears. The second solution, check your Wi-Fi or cellular connection. You may have a poor connection on FaceTime because of your Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Check that the device you are using has a Wi-Fi or cellular connection. You can check this in the control center or at the top of your iPhone screen. Third solution, sign out of Apple ID and sign in. Click the settings icon and then tap on FaceTime. In this step, you are demanded to get into. You can be reached by FaceTime at section. Afterward, just choose Apple ID and click on to sign out. Repeat step 1 and 2. Type your Apple ID and tap on to sign in. Fourth solution, update iOS system. Firstly, open Settings, and then to General. In the General menu, find and click Software Update. iPhone will automatically check if there is an update available. If so, tap to download and install it. If not, please keep reading and try the ultimate solution. Fifth solution, use a powerful iOS system recovery software like Joyoshare UltFix. You should download and install it in advance. Then activate this program. Note that you should connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable before starting the progress. Okay, now, you can click the Enter Recovery Mode by clicking this button. Then select the Start option. Choose the standard mode to fix your iPhone camera not working issue without data loss and press the Next button. The information of iPhone will appear on your screen. You should confirm that all of the information is valid and correct. Download and select the firm package that matches your device. After having the appropriate firmware package downloaded, you need to hit the Repair option. When your iPhone turns on again, you need to see whether it fixed your problem. So guys, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and smash that like button. I'll see you next time.